Hello everyone. So in today's video we'll be looking at how to design a helical milling cutter. So what you're looking at right now is the 3D model of that helical cutter that we'll be ending up with. Without further ado, let's jump into it. So to create this model, you should go to New, click on Part, and then click OK. Before starting, make sure that your unit is set up to millimeter, gram, and seconds. To start, go to Front Plane, select it, and go to Sketch. Let's create the cylinder. So go to Smart Dimension. The inner diameter should be 35 and the outer diameter should be 60. Right. Click on OK and then go to Feature, Extruded Boss. So the length should be 80 millimeters. Click on OK and then go to Front Face and select it. Now we will create the curve or the helix. So click on the front face, go to Sketch, and then click on this edge and convert entities. Once you're good, click on OK and go to Feature, go to Helix and Spiral. So the length, let's go by height and pitch. So the height should be 80 millimeters and the pitch should be 400 millimeters. Right, so the starting point, let's just make it 90 degree and click on OK. Once you get that, select front face again, and now let's create the cutting tooth of the cutter. Right, so click on the front face, click on Sketch, and then go to this edge again, click on it, convert entities, and create a center line starting from the middle point and then start drafting the cutting edge. Right, go to 3 points arc, click on it, click OK again. Same thing here. Just something closer to that would be good. Now let's give some dimensions. This one should be 85 degrees and the length of these should be 4 millimeters. And then this one should be 35 millimeters. Let's give it a height. So from this point to the center it should be 40 millimeters. Good. And this one should be 50 millimeters. Let's make it tangent to this line. And let's give this line a dimension. So this should be 1.5 mm. And from this point to the center line should be 15 millimeters. Once you're good and your sketch is fully defined, let's trim this entity. Looks good, you're good to go. Now let's go to Feature again, swipe both, click on the profile and then click on the curve. Once you're good, click OK. There you have your first tooth. Let's hide these and then go to Pattern, Circular Pattern, click on this feature and direction, go to the cylinder and the quantity here should be 12. Once you're good, click OK, then you're good to go. Now let's go ahead and create a fillet. So to create a fillet, you just go ahead to a fillet function, click on fillet, and then select one of these edges. And once you select the first one, you will get this kind of pop-up view. So go and select all concave, right? So once you select that, it will give you all the inner edges. I mean, it will select it automatically. You can select them one by one, of course, if you want to, but this is just a better way of doing it. Once you're done, click on OK. Make sure that it's 1.5 millimeters. That's the radius of the fillet. Now go ahead and select the front face. Click OK, sketch, and go to center rectangle and create a small one. Make sure that it's vertical. Click OK. The length should be 6 millimeters, and from this point to this point should be 20 millimeters. You're good. Then go ahead and create the extruded cut. Make sure that it's through all, and voila, you're done. So this was our helical cutter, milling cutter. Now let's apply material. Go to material, click on edit material, and go to, let's make it tool steel. Apply. It's actually high-speed steel cutter. Make sure that the background is white. Let's go ahead and apply some more things. I mean, let's make the appearance better. Go to carbon steel. Click on OK. And that was our milling cutter. Hope you like it, and see you in the next one.